Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisa Nurulita from 5BC, English Department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. What I would like to present is the variables and their types of research methodology. When we talk about variables, there are four types of variables: categorical, continuous, order, and discrete. But the most common one or the most used variables is categorical and continuous. Let's talk about categorical variable. Categorical variable is a collection of information that is divided into groups. This data is called categorical because it may be grouped according to the variables present in the biodata, such as gender, state of residence, age, and etc. This also implies to, for example, a type of fruits, type of colors, favorite numbers, type of vehicle, brand of cars, brand of motorcycle, and etc. Categorical variables divided into two types. The first one is nominal. This is a type of data used to name variables without providing any numerical value, coined from a Latin nomenclature, nomen, meaning name. We can see the example. The question is, what is your gender? And the answer is, I'm a female or male. The nominal variable is gender. The category is male and female. Let's see from other example. We'll take, what is your favorite country in Asia? The answer is, my favorite country in Asia is Indonesia. The nominal variables is country in Asia. The category is Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, and any other country in Asia. The second type is ordinal. Ordinal data is a kind of categorical data with a set of order or scale to it. The example is, as you can see, how satisfied are you with our service? And below it is set of scale, from the highest to the lowest: very satisfied, satisfied, indifferent, dissatisfied, very dissatisfied. This type of a question, or also scaling, you can find it in a questionnaire. Maybe there's an industry who are doing research on how good is their facility, how satisfied are the workers, how satisfied are the participants or of a seminar, maybe, and any kind of research done by a company or institution. The second type is continuous variable. Continuous variables is defined as a variable which can take an uncountable set of value or infinite set of value. To simplify, continuous variable take on any value between its minimum value and its maximum value. And there are also two types. The first one is interval. A variable can be defined as the distance or level between each category that is equal and static. The keyword is equal and static. Let's see the example. The interval value variable is temperature. The explanation is that the difference between 20 Celsius and 30 Celsius is the same as 30 Celsius to 40 Celsius. So you can see 30 Celsius minus 20 Celsius is 10 Celsius. 40 Celsius minus 30 is 10. So 20, 30, 40, the difference is 10. The same, equal and static. That's why it's equal and static. We can also take an example if we are going to level score in students of a class. So we'll see student A, we give them 10, student B, we give them 20, student C, we give them 30. The score difference between student A and student B is 20 minus 10 equals to 10. If we're going to see the difference between student C and student B, 30 minus 20 equals 10. So the difference are 10. That's why it's equal and static. The second type is ratio. Ratio variable are interval variable that meet an additional condition. So ratio and interval is actually the same, but also different. The difference is a measurement value of 0 must mean that there is none on that variable. So we can see that a data can be used in ratio, but some data can be used in ratio but cannot be used in interval. For example, if we are measuring a temperature in Kelvin, 0 Kelvin equals no temperature at all. That's why it cannot be used in interval, but can be used in a ratio, because the value of 0 must mean that there is none on that variable. We can use the same example as interval. Still the same, student A get 10, student B get 20, student C get 30. But the way we measure them is the ratio of student B and student A is 2 to 1. And also if we see it from the ratio of student C and student B is 30 and 20, so it's 3 to 2. The difference are the same. That's why they are equal and static. That's it, what I can explain to you. I hope you can understand and get the lesson out of it. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.